guys over at Hollister Venus area, they like to run these trucks with flatbeds on them. They take the bed off and put the flatbeds on. This one's sponsored by Larry Engineering, Marlboro Market Incorporated, Arch Tires and Family.